Music Cities, it's an event that we created in 2015. The idea was we didn't really have an event that kind of brought different people together to look at the role that music plays in cities and in communities. And we felt that, you know, if we could kind of build that choir, or at least bring a place together for that choir, then we would all grow and benefit. And so we did that in 2015, and we've since done 11 of them all over the world. And this is the biggest one we've ever done here in Tulsa.
Music Cities Convention seems important because it's the people who are getting stuff done in their organizations and in their cities and communities coming together with other people who get stuff done and taking a break from doing things to plan on how to do bigger and better things. What I'd like to take away is ideas on how to expand and more efficiently build community and grow my organization.
We know, as musicians in Tulsa, we know what's happening, but it's great to get that not only to the people like the mayor and the chamber, but also out to other cities and let them know that we have something to say.
Something like this is important in music communities for awareness. And I think there's a lot of stigmatism that comes along, especially with hip hop and what has been bred. And I feel as if something like this breaks that misunderstanding, and it can bridge communities and people who do want to help and want to be a part of something that they don't understand what they want to be a part of. I think that's such a beautiful thing that now we're merging two different sides.
This is an awesome opportunity to showcase Tulsa Sound, showcase our music industry to the globe that are interested in the music industry, are from Music Cities, are trying to learn more, things they can take back home, best practices, and really what we do to enhance Tulsa Sound and enhance the music industry here.
We do so many amazing things in this city that it rarely makes it outside of the city to where someone outside wants to be a part of it and to bring that there. And so these conferences give us the opportunity to reach more people outside of Tulsa.
Music is the only thing that we don't need to live, but we can't live without, you know? So if we think about that, we really need to invest in it as a public good. We need to invest in it as infrastructure, and if we do that, then we will all benefit.